Hey, it's your fault if I'm wasting like
2 cans of Coke?
Or like, no, I put more, but good.
A 6-pack?
Regular. Does it have to be like? No, does it have to be like fresh?
Nah, I don't think it matters. Because I don't think the carbonation is what does it. I think it's the Coke itself. I thought you were on a break with Coke. He doesn't want to throw away the Coke. He's like, I want to drink it.
I want to drink the Coke.
I guess it is going to be a lot of Coke. It's going to be at least 4 cans.
It's going to be a lot of Coke. Look
at that. What you could do is you could turn this container on its side and just fill that. You know what I mean? Like,
I don't want to waste too much Coke.
But yeah, this stuff will clean it right off.
How to clean an engine?
Well, no, not an engine. Just how to clean engine parts.
Engine parts.
I mean, technically, you can go on YouTube right now and you can watch it.
Well, I want to prove it myself.
True.
No?
I was telling him on middle school we did an experiment where we got a penny that was like disgusting. Like, you didn't believe how bad this penny was. It was green.
Your bucket's a little big here because.
No, he's gonna do this. But yeah, that stuff will clean all that rust right off. Literally, that stuff will come right off.
Alright, this is 2 days it's been Coca-Cola. There's like freaking mold accumulating. I think this myth is busted. Everyone's talking about how this stuff cleans out everything. Coca-Cola. Maybe this is new formula. It doesn't freaking clean your insides. But now we have engine parts that smell like Coca-Cola. I gotta go wash this out and dump this out. What a good, perfectly wasted Coke. Yeah, I'm gonna have to manually clean these stuff now. You lying? This shit ain't coming off. This shit been sitting like a whole week.
It doesn't just fall off. You actually got to use something to clean it off with.
Now we don't even know if you just cleaned it off. It would have just took it off.
Look. Let's see.
Show me.
Well, yeah.
Show me like a messed up.
Like, I guess.
Show me that orange shit.
There's something like right there, right?
You don't get any Coke on me. All right, now you gotta wipe it and show me.
Fuck wiping it, just rinse it off. See?
Well,
obviously.
How clean it is.
Well, that's how clean it is. It doesn't get like perfect. I guess the other.
Don't get my floor dirty.
The other way of doing this, if you really want to see it like that.
Well, why ain't the outside clean?
Using vinegar, I guess. You could use vinegar and do the same thing.
Yeah. And then wipe it with this towel and show me. You said you're gonna clean the penny.
It'll clean a penny.
I don't see any.
You don't see no. You don't see no improvement. Looks the same. Let's try vinegar. I'll go grab some vinegar and we'll try the vinegar deal.
Try some vinegar. Vinegar cleans metal.
Vinegar is supposed to clean rust right off of shit too. Here.
They changed that Coke formula. That's what.
It's not the same. It doesn't have the same amount of sugar in it than it used to.
It doesn't have the same amount of poison you're talking about.
They saw the people cleaning rust off parts. They were like, oh, we gotta change that.
Gotta change that.
What do you guys think? You guys think that's a real good clean job? No, not really.
I thought it was just gonna like acid dip.
Just acid come off?
I mean, I see it. It's doing something.
It's coming off, but it's not like how we would think. Like, look at the parts that look brand new.
I know. You told me it cleans a penny, like straight up.
I'm gonna bring some vinegar and we're gonna try the vinegar deal.
Right.
We tried the Coke deal. The Coke didn't clean it completely off, but I think the vinegar is gonna do a way better job.
We'll see. We're gonna dump it in some vinegar.
I'm gonna try some vinegar.
And cook it after.
All good.
Have a great night. All right. See you Look at this pile of shit, huh? What the fuck is this, bro?
This is exactly.
No shit.
This is exactly what it's. It's supposed to make exactly you feel that way.
This is horrible. Oh yeah,
dude. No, dude. He's the first guy. He's our guy.
You remember you wrote R.I.P. on the side of
Yeah.
The pink one. You're famous.
This is the evil twin brother. Your half that's in there, sort of.
Yeah, that's
I don't think that's meant for your hand.
that's
We didn't want no restriction.
I don't know what you're
yeah, I
doing.
know, yeah, right, yeah.
Break that hole.
I know, I gotta be careful.
Oh, he got a new one.
Got a new one? Yes! Yes!
What a dick.
No, we love it. Thanks, brother.
Let's go plug that up.
I know. Yeah. Home Depot and go.
You gotta keep
Yes, sir.
Yellow tint.
Hit it back there with the bubble in the middle. But look at the exhaust though.
Wanna hear it?
Oh, fire that shit up.
Ready?
Holy-
Ready?
Yeah. We're going some serious yard shit. What's up?
Shopping cart.
Hey, should I line up or we gonna go?
Go ahead, bro. Do it. I got a whole yard to do.
All right, what do you think is gonna hit? Right off the bat.
Conservatively 17.
17?
I think so.
You have no hope. CRX.
Hope, it's a B20. It's stock. Nothing in it. I think.
I say like a mid 15.
You think so? Nah, dude.
I've seen some single cams hit.
Yeah, but like tuned. Like a nice single cam. Not no stock single cam. You're at 22, 23 seconds. Ain't no single cam
D16,
doing no 15.
Z6?
Yeah, but it's gotta be like
High
juiced.
15s. High 15s?
It's gotta be juiced, bro. I don't
Okay.
know. I mean, maybe. We'll see.
We'll see.
I mean, street tire, but they're not street tires, so I guess maybe we'll get a little better. Yeah, maybe.
Maybe?
15s.
15s?
Maybe.
What do you guys think? Leave your comment section below. First,
Let us know.
what is the rice cooker gonna hit? And what are we racing a Mustang? Maybe.
Supercharged Mustang on slicks. If it's him.
Oh shit, he got something. Yeah.
It's a Cobra. Just get him ready so he knows what's coming. You know what I mean?
I rock, baby.
Shit. You're gonna give him nightmares before he gets up there. He's over there thinking, I better not lose to that. I better not lose to that.
Don't lose to that mother.
Shit. Bruh.
Nobody.
Yeah, this thing's fucking nasty.
Oh yeah, you know that thing's nasty.
Yeah.
I gotta run out.
Go. Oh, did I just do that?
Oh shit! The car has. Go, go, go! Oh man! I think it's gonna work. I'm gonna tell him to go.
Main relay.
Oh really?
Feel it clicking, yeah.
Don't turn it off.
Nah, no more.
Don't, wait, start it though.
No more. Click on in.
Go, Carlos. Oh, you got an 16 ain't one. What happened? Now, dude, you spun like hell. You spun so. You almost had him.
This thing's a piece of shit. Time, it gotta be like a fucking 20.
Nah, 16.
Really?
You were close with that Mustang.
It felt like an eternity, bro. I'm saying it
Dude,
just-
the Mustang only hit a 15.3.
He spun just like that street sucked.
Your 64 was a 3.2.
Yeah, that thing spun second. Lit up, what was it?
What?
Was it 65?
3.2.
Jesus.
That's with that violin. Oh. Got it? You gonna warm it up?
I need a torch.
Protection?
Alright, guys. I gotta put my fire safety on,
Just to make sure nothing happens.
blow myself up, pouring up this nitrous bottle.
There we go.
Alright,
Locks on.
guys.
The lock's on. You gonna take it out of the car?
Hell no.
You gonna light this shit on fire. You turn it on?
I'll find out together. No, you know already, huh?
Oh,
13?
no.
Oh, it's the 15 one.
15 what?
15.3 at 90 miles an hour.
Woo!
Got a 2.460 foot, baby.
Good.
Well,
That's it.
yeah, that's all. That shit.
That's all she wrote.
That was it.
What did it run though?
15.3.
So it went a full second faster.
Yeah, no, it tried, but then I stopped power steering.
But yeah, freezing. Track's crap tonight.
She did what she could. Now we have to rebuild her.
We need to turbo this thing and nitrous it.
That's what we're gonna do.
So much fun, bro.
We need to turbo and nitrous.
Dude, it did all right.
Dude, it was fun. It was cool. It was fun.
I just think
With the nitrous,
This
when
thing
it
has
hit, it was cool.
all the original suspension from like what 90s. So
I know,
dude.
but with the nitrous, it felt like I was gonna go. Like I felt like maybe a 13-second pass.
Oh, no.
But then I was like,
Well, that's our base.
Yeah.
We just wanted to get base.
yeah.
So that's rice cooker.
On and off.
It's funny they put Pray on the window.
Yeah.
They should have said
They
Pray
didn't
and
even-
spray.
They didn't even know about the spray, and they put pray. That's great. That's awesome.
All right, well, we're gonna figure.
We gotta get out of here, guys. It's cold.
Anyway.
Please like, please subscribe to the video. Peace. Later.